As we gather to celebrate Christmas 2024, we can often find ourselves in a world that continues to face many challenges, and we ourselves can find ourselves going through difficulties and uncertainties and personal struggles, like having more months than money. We could be struggling with mental health issues like anxiety and depression. We could be feeling very, very lonely. We could even be grieving for somebody that we've lost in our life, somebody very special, somebody very close to us, and we're feeling alone, and we're feeling like nothing really matters anymore. We've given up all hope. But there is hope. I want to tell you that there is hope. And you may be going through these struggles and difficulties and trials right now, but there is a profound truth that I want to share with you, and that is hope, peace, and joy. And it's not just a seasonal sentiment, but it's an enduring gift that we can carry with us each and every day. And I want to share with you a little bit of hope. I want to give you a little bit of hope, and no matter what your struggles are, Jesus' birth reminds us that we're never alone. His light shines in the darkness. His light shines in the dark times, offering us hope and strength. Hope and strength. No matter what you're going through, no matter what the struggles or the difficulties or trials are that you're going through, you're never alone. Jesus' light shines through all the dark times, the darkest of times, offering us hope and strength. And I've got a Bible verse for you, and it's a very famous one, and it's Jeremiah 29:11, which says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." You see, in that Bible verse, God is giving you a hope and the promise of a good future. So don't let life get you down. Get peace instead. And in the midst of your chaos, find peace in knowing that God is with us and God is with you. And let His presence calm your hearts and calm your minds. Let His peace fill you right now. Fill your hearts and your minds. And why don't you do something different? Share a little Christmas joy with other people. Maybe it's just a kind word, a helping hand, or a simple act of love. And all of that can make a world of difference, a massive world of difference, especially for those who are lonely, especially for those who are going through difficulties, especially for those who have lost a loved one, especially for those who are going through mental health. A kind word, a helping hand, showing your love and showing the love of Christ to other people can make a world of difference, can bring a smile to people's chaotic lives, can bring joy. I got told a story yesterday of actually last Christmas, where somebody I know and a sister were in a store and they went to get a small turkey, and just a few feet away from them there were people arguing over a turkey, saying they got it first, and they were virtually fighting for this turkey. And my friends said to themselves, well, what is so special about that turkey? So they asked a staff member, and the staff member said, is that all you want? And they said yes. And they said, well, if I were you, I would get out now, because as time goes on in the day, people become more crazy, fighting over all kinds of things. And so get out with your turkey. And, it's a very crazy world, very, very busy, and people all over the world are doing crazy things. But I want to bring you hope. I want to bring you joy. I want to bring you peace this Christmas 2024. And I want you to have hope, peace, and joy for the new year 2025. And I pray that it will be filled with peace, with joy, and something that we all need, and that is hope. We all need hope. And, when we have Christ Jesus, we have all the hope that we could ever wish for. All the hope that we could ever wish for. And, we have to learn to be content also. Content with what we have. And that brings peace to our hearts also. And if you know anybody who's struggling, then show a bit of human kindness, a bit of generosity, and help them in any way you can. And if you're struggling with finances, then you can still offer something to encourage other people. You can offer them a caring ear, a gentle, loving word, a word of encouragement, something to lift them up. And if you're feeling very lonely, like nobody cares for you, I want to tell you that Jesus Christ, He loves you, and He truly cares for you. And you're never alone when you have Jesus Christ in your life. So my name is Pastor Gareth Lavelle, and I hope that I brought you a little bit of joy, a little bit of peace, and a little bit of hope, not only for Christmas 2024, but for the new year 2025. So I'm coming to you from CloudChurch TV in Manchester, United Kingdom, and I just say have a wonderful, blessed Christmas and a truly blessed New Year 2025, full of hope, full of joy, full of God's peace. And when you've got peace, you've got everything anyway. So try and get them all, a little bit of them all, joy, peace, and hope. Then you'll feel complete. You don't need to be fighting over turkeys or over food or over anything. You just need to focus your mind and your heart on what you've already got. Be content with that. And if you're struggling and you have very little, then turn your heart to Jesus and pray and ask God sincerely to help you, and He will send you help. He will send you help. He will help you through your struggles. And so have peace in that. Have joy in that. I love you guys, and I pray that this has encouraged you. And have a great Christmas and a happy New Year, a blessed New Year. And remember, Jesus is the reason for the season. It's not all the things of the world, although some things make life a little more interesting or a little better for us. But just try to be content with what you have, and also try to spread the joy of Christmas, the joy of Christ throughout all of your year, and all of next year, and all the year after. Be filled with His peace and have hope from now all the way through 2025 and beyond. God bless you all. Bye for now. Bye-bye. And I'll see you very soon. Bye for now. Bye-bye.